What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We're tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. I bet y'all didn't see them coming, man. Y'all didn't see the collab coming. I got my boy G Chucky pulling up today. So, man, y'all know we're gonna shoot some good footage, man. We'll probably shoot a couple of videos for y'all and all that. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see my boy G done pulled up. Chucky.
What's going on? What's going on?
Man, down here, look, I got a YouTube on the screen. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe and stuff, man. We finna shoot some good content today. Even though y'all see it, we still gonna shoot some good content, man.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go check it out, y'all. Y'all seen ain't never got a chance to see it in person on the wheels and stuff, man. This joker is clean, boy. This thing here is nice. Cause old man, the stunt man. Yeah. Flex over here and stuff. Yeah, man, this joker here is clean, boy. This joker here is clean. Whew. Oh, yeah. Man, G be driving the mess out this joker, boy. He be driving the mess out this car, boy. He be sliding. Yes, sir. That joker here is tough. Yeah, man, we finna let Flex pull up, then G gonna unload this, and then we're gonna check back in, y'all. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. See, G got this thing unloaded. Got this bad boy unloaded. Hey, G, crank this thing up right quick. Let the vlog hit. Let y'all hit this thing, man. Y'all make sure y'all check his channel out too, man. He got a good vlog. He got a good vlog coming. Y'all gonna want to see it. Joe here sounds so good. It sounds good. Good, boy. But know we're talking, boy. This is talking something serious. Yes, indeed. Alright, y'all see it, man. Well, we done had some fun today, man. We done had some fun today. That day ended up being alright. I see Chucky count them off. We just kicked it, man. Rain and stuff, but it still ended up alright, man. Y'all got to see them vlog we did for his channel, man. Y'all got to see, man. We got some good stuff coming. This over here sound good, boy. Count them off. I listen to it all day long, man. This over count them off. Sound too good. Sounding real good, man. Been fun today, y'all. Been real fun. Alright, y'all, it's The next day, still raining, man. Still raining. But y'all see, like I said, y'all see my boy G, A Cuddy boy, pulled up over here at the house, man. We had some more stuff planned for y'all, man, but like I said, the weather just prevented us from doing what we do. So y'all know that what we on, man. That what we on this year, like, and next year too. All next year, man, straight collaborating and stuff, man. I'm finna start transitioning in some areas of my life, the way I do stuff on social media and all that too, cause you know it ain't all about staying the same, man. It's about growing. Whole purpose, really, of G coming through, man. We had been talking, and you know what I'm saying, talking about linking up and all that, man. But what I want y'all to do for me and for him, man, cause say he good people. Y'all know I don't like collaborating with people that ain't solid, man. No matter what they got going on, man. Long as they solid as an individual, that's why I like collaborating with positive people, man. And the whole point was to, you know, run his engagement up, man. My boy needs some watch time, man. So if y'all would, go watch his videos, the long videos, not the shorts. The shorts don't do nothing, man. If you ain't saw his long video, like his vlogs, he just now getting into it. I'm still helping boy, you know, like trying to format and stuff and all that. And just go watch his video, man. He needs some minutes, man. Go watch it, get him minutes up. That was the whole point. Like this video y'all saw, this the only thing I shot, man. I tried to make sure he get him like 2 or 3 good videos in, man. You know, we make the most of the day and the trip, and that we did. But I just hate it wet, man. The rain came out unexpected. You know, we got the cold weather about to roll in. But cold weather don't start no show, man. Don't start no program. You got to keep rolling, you know what I'm saying? And just keep moving and all of that. And every year, I probably never told y'all, or I can't remember if I told y'all or not, but every year it's a goal of mine to help somebody get monetized. Whether it's random or somebody close to me that wants to do it. You know, I don't try to push nobody around me to do exactly what I'm doing, but if they want to, I like to help them. And so far, the last 2 or 3 years, man, I've done that goal, man. I helped at least one or multiple people get monetized, man. And, you know, really it'd be my goal to help somebody around me get monetized and to help somebody that I don't know personally get monetized and build a new relationship, you know. Like, success is built on relationships. Success is built on your network, man. It is built on your mindset. It's built on a lot of things, man. So you got to understand, you know, you can't just stay in your little circle. You can't stay in your little circle and expect to grow, man. You can't think everybody bad. You can't think everybody out to get you and all of that, man. Cause some good people, you know, there's some good people out there. Just like you feel like you're a great person, it's somebody out there that's a duplicate of you, basically. Same mind, same thing. Everybody got a yin-yang twin, man. That's what I call them. So, you know, it's all about giving people a chance, man, and kind of seeing where they at with everything, you know what I'm saying? And then you making the call from there, and you never know, you might make a lifelong friend or whatever. You never know, man. It ain't about who you grew up with or whatever, cause people change, you know what I'm saying? Like, the person you were when you was 13 or 18, I'm hoping you ain't that same person, unless you was already good then, but most of the time we ain't got it figured out. But, you know, people change, man, you know what I'm saying? So, that's the whole purpose. That's the whole purpose, basically, man. It was for him to come, we can link up, and now it's gonna be our turn. Me and Cuzzo, like I said, we're gonna get up there to his area. Like, we're gonna start moving around, pulling up on people in their area, man. They block, see how they get down and stuff, busting block, having a good time, man, cutting up, this and that. But people gotta understand, man, like me personally, I'm only gonna be pulling up on people that like A1 since day one. And A1 since day one don't mean you been watching the longest. It means you just been solid from the time, from the day one. From if day one for you, you've been watching 30 days and you've been solid that whole 30 days. You ain't kept up no BS, then that's cool, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm on, man. That's what I'm on and stuff. So it's elevation. like I said, going in different avenues, different lanes. Like, it's car based, but it's called Life of JMalcom. I say that all the time. I'm not looking to put up a big banger all the time. I'm looking to stay positive and have fun, man. Like, it's more to it than a dollar, but it's about using my platform too, and what I've built over the years and my name and brand to help other people elevate and help other people grow, and to put good people in front of y'all too. You know, it power in the network, man. I can't even think about how many people I put y'all on, great people or great businesses or great products or, you know, great services or places to go and stuff like that. You know, like with wifey will show y'all her vlogs and stuff when we out with the family and we doing something. You know, it's stuff like that, man. Or just the thing I got started, my birthday cookout, man. I do this thing annually now. It was the second year this year. I do this thing annually, and it's just a great vibe and stuff like that. And that's what we on, man. So, like, G, he got a good thing going, man. Cuddy boy, he got a good thing going and all of that. And shoot, man, like I said, I'm gonna help him and stuff. You know, everybody that support me, I'm gonna support him, and I'm gonna help him. I ain't never turned a man away or a woman that came to me for advice, or, you know, they like, hey, how can I do this when it comes to social media? I'm not that type of guy. I ain't never turned nobody away. And I help a lot of people, and I gave people game. If I saw them doing something they could be doing different, they might have not even asked, man. I'm like, well, hey, if you do this right here, or you move this way, it can happen a little faster for you. So at the end of the day, though, a person just gotta want it, man. They gotta want it. That's all it come down to. So, like, next year, I'm already looking at who I'm gonna try to help get monetized. Y'all know my boy Jesse got monetized this year. That was major. Appreciate everybody that support Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication. His social media across all 3 platforms blew up, and he doing his thing. But he listened, man. So now me and G, y'all gonna see her collaborating a lot with stuff and all of that, man. And, you know, we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna have a good time. And that's it, man. That's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna have fun. But like I said, I'm glad y'all got to see his car over here on my channel. Next time we'll catch a sunny day or dry day, I should say. It might not be sunny, it'll be dry though. And we'll go around that way, cause y'all know, man. Y'all know me. I don't mind traveling. I travel anyway, filming drag racing, man. I done been all over, man. I done been Texas, South Carolina, North Carolina, Alabama, Florida. Well, man, I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere when it comes to this racing, this drag racing. So, you know, it ain't nothing to it. It ain't nothing to it with me, man. We'll load up and take off. Say I put it on the trailer or I drive it. When I go realistically, I'm probably, if I take Dolo, I'm probably gonna drive it all the way there, man. I think we probably 2 hours apart from each other. But I'm gonna drive that joker all the way there, man. Cause I love showing people that joker true street, like real true street. So yeah, man, we're gonna have that coming up. But yeah, they're gonna wrap it up, y'all. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.